Hello and welcome to this short video about remote control on Perreaux Silhouette SXCD. No, it's a minimalistic player with no display and and a few control buttons there, and doesn't come with remote control. You have to actually buy one separately, and this I bought for $5.95. It's an Arduino compatible infrared remote. Cut off my cable in half, the 3.5 millimeter stereo male to male. Plugs in there. There's a port for that, for RC port, and I've hooked up the remote controller. The reason the rubber band is there because I'm using a double-sided tape to attach it, and I just wanted to sit there for a while. It could have been nicer. I could have done it in the middle, but I'll leave that to the new owner. The codes, I asked Perreaux for the codes. They had no idea. They said it was legacy product. So I got a big glass of wine and my box of remotes, and I said I'm going to find out what code it is. I put the first one in, and it was Audio Lab, and it worked. So obviously I knew it was a Philips based codes, and then so the Marantz, any Marantz remote will work. So at the moment, you can sort of, there's even a bit of a light when a remote received the signal. I don't know whether it could be visible. Maybe if I get rid of the light, I don't know whether you could see it there. But I've covered that with heat shrink, so the board is not that visible. But there, I could see it there. So there it is, my friends. You can make that Perreaux sing with a simple Arduino receiver and some Philips codes, and any remote that uses those will do. Well, thank you very much, and that's the end of my Perreaux saga. It has been sitting in my to-do list for at least a couple of years, if not more. Goodbye.